Hey everyone, really good to be back. It's been far too long since we did some work on Rona, but
been a little bit of radio silence over the last couple of weeks. Have been waiting on parts, and I've actually been waiting on these, would you believe, to arrive. Two little hubs for the back of the Defender. You'll remember from one of the previous videos that we took the roof and the side panels off. We have put them back on temporarily. I wasn't happy with the hubs at the back, so ordered new ones. They've arrived, so this evening my friend Matt is coming down. He's going to give us a hand. We're going to just prop the roof up, we're going to fix the side caps, and then we're going to get the roof refitted properly and securely. And I've ordered windows, so I'll chat a little bit more about them in a minute. So here we've got our broom shaft prop, brush shaft prop. So we loosened the bolts at the front, the 6 bolts there at the top of the windscreen, and took out the other bolts that were temporarily holding the roof in place. We're going to take the side panels out now. Matt's just looking absolutely stellar there, all this hard work, and we'll get these out and we're going to swap in the new hubs here at the back. Feel the breeze. So these are what we have taken out. Rusty. And these are what we're putting in. So we'll do that now, and then we'll be able to get the roof fully done. And then, as I said, I've got the windows coming in a couple of weeks time, and we'll get those fitted. But every time I take the side panels off, I think this would be really good as a convertible.
hey everyone, really good to be back. It's been far too long since we did some work on Rona, but in front of me here we have 2 parcels that have come from Explore Glazing in the Netherlands. They were really helpful in figuring out what the best solution would be for our side panel windows, and we've opted for 1 sliding window and 1 Gullwing window as well. So what we're going to do today is we're going to show you how we take out the current just metal panels that are in the window frames and swapping them out for these newer upgraded ones. So let's see what's in the box.
Here we go.
This pack is brilliant because they basically give you everything that you need to fit the windows. It comes with the sealant for the windows, it comes with all of the backing plates, the screws, the nuts, a brush for kind of adding kind of your soapy application at the end, sealant rubber as well for removing any excess sealant that comes out the sides during the install, and then loads of different bits and pieces. It also comes with the 4.2mm drill bit that you will need to drill in your new holes where appropriate. So let's have a look at the windows, see how they're going to function, and then we'll get over to the Defender and we'll start drilling out the rivets, removing the old frame and putting the new stuff in. So here we have our Gullwing window. We'll just open up the packaging. It came really well packed, as I mentioned. So I'm in Ireland, and it was shipping from the Netherlands. Came by courier, DHL, and no issues at all. All the packaging was really well labelled, fragile, handled with care. No breaks, no cracks. And then this is just our final check, just to make sure that everything is A-okay. So here we go, with the help of Leah getting it out, we have our Gullwing windows. So these are at 20% transparency, so it gives us a little bit more privacy inside the back of the Defender, but we're very much able to see out. And then it comes with its keys, so we'll unlock these, we'll be able to open them out. The gas struts go on the inside here, so then we can just open that right up. It'll serve as a bit of a hatch for whenever we're able to have our cooker going on the inside, and just kind of if we're out barbecuing, camping, we've just got that easy access in and out of the side of the Defender. This will also give us increased ventilation in the Defender as well, so when you're camping and cooking, you can open it up, and yeah, it's just going to make life a whole lot easier. So we're going to park this here, and then we'll take out the other, and then we'll add the sealant to this, get the screws in, and really kind of we'll be able to show just how easy of an install this is for anybody else that wants to do it themselves.
So this is the inside at the moment. You can see it's just sheet metal panels inside the old window frames. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to come around the other side. I'm going to close the back door just to show you kind of how dark it is in there at present, and then we'll be able to show the contrast when we install the two new windows. Quite dark in here at the moment. Granted, the two rear smaller windows are covered over, but what we'll be able to do then is once we've installed the two new windows, be able to come back and see just how much brighter it is and kind of how it opens up the space and makes it more conducive for the camper lifestyle that we're going for.
So what we need to do now, I've just masked it up so that as we remove it, if there is any sealant and we need to scrape that off, we're not going to damage the paintwork. But with so pre-2002, you've got this little strip of rubber. Let me move the camera there. It's a little strip of rubber here. This strip of rubber is what hides all of your rivets. So the pre-2002 windows were pop riveted in, and so what we want to do is we want to remove this the whole way around, and then for us to remove the window we need to drill out the pop rivets.
Here we have the finished product. We've got the new windows in, the Gullwings. So we've got access right in to the Defender now. So it'll be perfect for when we're camping. Great clearance up there. Big thanks to Tim and Alice, who came to help Leah and myself today just to get the job done, get it done quickly. We had to clear away all the silicone, the sealant that had pressed out the side, and we were able to do that quickly. Many hands making light work, and then you have the inside as well, so we can now see out through. I think it makes a really big difference to the final image. I'm really happy with that.